In today's video, I'll show you how to run WWE 2K18 smoothly on a low-end PC without a graphics card. All you have to do is launch the game and go to options and go to graphics settings. Screen resolution, set this to 1280 into 720. Set to 60 Hz and windowed, set this to no, VSync set it to off, shadows off, FXWA off, texture quality set to low, audience density set to 30%, depth of field off, motion blur off. Press the spacebar key and save it. Do you want to keep these display settings? Yes, and again press bar and the settings has been saved successfully. And the final setting you need to do is just close the game, open up File Explorer and go to Documents and open the WWE 2K18 folder. Right click on the config and select edit in notepad and make sure you set these three options to off. Audience density 30, audience stylization set this to off, depth of field off, motion blur off, shadows off, simple lighting off, texture quality set to 0, and in resolution make sure the values are set to 720 into 1280 and window set to no and select a file and select save option and the settings will be saved in game. And now just to close stuff here and launch the game and you can enjoy the game on any low-end PC without any lag, without any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.